The HOZO NeoRulerGO digital tape measure is a must-have tool for anyone who values precision and convenience in their measuring tasks. With its cutting-edge laser technology and rolling measuring capabilities, this device excels at measuring flat surfaces, curved edges, diameters, and even odd shapes with ease. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, while the Bluetooth app integration adds a smart touch by allowing users to sync and save measurements effortlessly. Its pocket-sized design makes it incredibly portable, and it's a fantastic gift idea for dads, men, or gadget enthusiasts who appreciate innovative tools. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an engineer, or just someone who loves cool gadgets, this ruler is a game changer.